Hi, have you been struggling with setting units in AutoCAD? Maybe you've been doing it in the wrong way. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set the right units such that your drawings stand out every time. Just make sure you watch until the end as I uncover the different easiest ways to set units in AutoCAD. With that being said, let's get into AutoCAD and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So I'm using AutoCAD 2023 for this video. If you're given an assignment to draw a project in AutoCAD, the first thing you have to consider is to set the units. So according to the location where you are and according to the units that you use in your country, that's where you start from. You set the units, then you proceed with other settings in AutoCAD. With that being said, let's start right away. There are two systems that we use to set our units. You can either use the metric system or the imperial system. So for the metric system, we usually deal with millimeters, centimeters. Yeah. So, but for the imperial system, we usually deal with inches. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to handle in this video, and I show you exactly how you can deal with the two systems. So let's get started. To get to the dialog box for drawing units, you simply type in UN at the command bar, then you hit enter. It will bring for you this drawing units dialog box. Then after that, below the type, we can see decimal right here. But that's if you're dealing with millimeters. Then for precision, I usually leave it at 2 decimal places. For the units to scale, I usually leave it at millimeters because I'm in Uganda and we use millimeters. So for this option, I usually leave it as international. Then this I'll leave it at 2 decimal places. For the precising, then the type, usually I don't tamper with this. I usually leave it at decimal degrees. Okay, so if you want to draw your project in inches, you click at this arrow within the box having the decimal option. Then you select architectural. Then also you find that AutoCAD will automatically change the precision to inches. So you can select the type of how precise you want your decimals to be at. Yeah, so I'll leave it at this. Then also you change this to inches from the drop down menu that pops up. Okay, so after you've changed all the necessary things that need to be adjusted, you just hit enter. Yeah, so the other way you can access the drawing unit dialog box, it's to click at this application menu button located at the upper left corner of the software or screen, then select drawing utilities. Then after that you hit units. Okay, so you see that you still come back to the same dialog box for the drawing units. So for this, I'll put it at decimal, maintain the precision, then I'll change this one to millimeters. Okay, so I'll hit OK. So let's draw a line here to illustrate what we have just set. So I'll draw a line of length 1000 millimeters. That is it. I'll zoom out, then I'll measure it. And this will give me 1000 millimeters, right? So always make sure that you set the right units for the project, because that's what AutoCAD will use to scale your drawings. Then also it will make your work look organized. Yeah, so with that being said, I just want to say that thanks for watching. If this video has been of value to you, just make sure that you hit that like button. And if you're a new viewer at my channel, make sure that you subscribe, such that you get notified whenever I upload this kind of content. Thanks for watching. We meet next time.